Okay, so today I'm going to make some mayonnaise, and this is going to be a vegan mayonnaise that doesn't have any eggs in it, and we're going to use some chickpeas. So as you can see, I've already taken a can of chickpeas and I have drained those, and I'm going to need 4 ounces of the liquid. It's called aqua fava. So if you ever hear anyone refer to aqua fava, they're talking about the liquid that beans have been cooked in. Most of the time, particularly, it's chickpeas. So we're going to use 4 ounces of that, and I'm going to get that ready real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've got my 4 ounces, and I'm going to add that into a high-speed blender. And I'm also going to add about a spoon, and you can eyeball this any way you want to. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of vinegar. You can use lemon juice if you'd rather. I just like the vinegar better, it just gives it a different taste. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of some Dijon mustard. Eyeball it as well. You've done this for a while, you kind of get your measurements together, you can kind of tell what things are. And then I'm going to add in 2 of my cereal size spoon, I guess you'd call it, of chickpeas into the mix. And then we're going to put the lid on it. And we're going to turn it on high, and I'm going to, you want to blend these smooth, and I'll show you how smooth you want them in just a minute, because I know you don't want to listen to this noise. You're going to want it to be a liquid consistency, so basically you're going to pulverize those chickpeas. Put that back on the stand there. Add in just a little bit of cayenne pepper, not a whole lot. I'm gonna say maybe a quarter of a teaspoon, just to give it a little bit of punch. And then I'm gonna put the lid back on, and we're gonna do medium speed, and we're gonna need some oil for this. The recipe I have calls for 1.5 cups, but I just like to add oil until it begins to emulsify. Now let it go from there and see, because I don't necessarily think you need that much oil, but you know, it's up to you if you want to do the 1.5 cups and do it, just, you know, no problem. But we're going to start our blender. This is going to blend for 3 to 4 minutes. And as you can see, there is some steam coming off this now, but the mayonnaise is ready. And that's what it looks like in the blender there. And I'm going to put some out into a serving bowl real quick. So now you have a nice thick mayonnaise that you can use, and you can put it anywhere that you normally would use mayonnaise. Salads, salad dressing, potato salad, on sandwiches, on toasted bread, wherever it is that you would use it if you want to use this in recipes, casseroles, anything that you would normally have that you would use regular mayonnaise in. This will make a nice replacement for that. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this today. If you got any questions or anything on this recipe, please leave comments below and let me know things that you would like to see me make. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Take good care.